Meaning of General of the Air Force.
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 General of the Air Force. The rank of General of the Air Force is the highest rank in the United States Air Force. It is an honorary and permanent rank given to a four-star general who has demonstrated exceptional leadership qualities in their career. This rank has only been conferred on 5 individuals in the history of the U.S. Air Force. The insignia for this rank consists of 5 silver stars arranged in a circle, with 1 star in the center. This rank is equivalent to that of General of the Army in the U.S. Army, and Admiral of the Navy in the U.S. Navy.